Hi everybody, in this video we are going to analyze IPO of NUVOCO VISTAS Corporation Limited. This company is part of Nirma Group, which was founded by Karsanbhai Patel, a well-known entrepreneur. This company was incorporated in 1999 as NUVOCO VISTAS Corporation Limited. This was a brief history of NUVOCO VISTAS Corporation Limited. Now let us understand the business model of the company. Basically, the company operates in three business segments. The first segment is manufacturing of cement. This is the major segment in which company operates. The company has 11 cement manufacturing plants across India. Coming to second segment, the second segment in which the company operates is ready mix concrete. This ready mix concrete is a type of concrete that is manufactured based on the specific requirements of the customer. At the construction sites, we will be seeing that labor will be preparing concrete by adding cement, stones, sand and water. In this case, if ready mix concrete is used, instead of labor preparing those kind of concrete, the company manufactures the ready mix concretes which can be directly used by the construction companies at the construction site. The company is having 49 plants that manufactures this kind of ready mix concrete. Coming to the third segment in which the company operates, it is modern building material segments. This segment includes products such as wall putty, tile adhesives and some other building materials. Well, the company operates in the northern and eastern part of India, and the company is fifth largest manufacturer of cement in India in terms of capacity of manufacturing. Now let us understand how the company will generate its sales. Basically, the company will generate its sales under two segments. The first one is trade segment and the second one is non-trade segment. Under trade segment, the company will sell its cement to the dealers who will in turn sell this cement to the final consumer. That means under trade segment, the company does not have any direct contact with the customer. Whereas under non-trade segment, the company will sell its cement in bulk quantities to large infrastructure companies and to government projects. Here, the company will be having 73% of its sales from trade segment and 27% of its sales from non-trade segment. Here, the company will be having less profit in non-trade segment when compared to trade segment, because under non-trade segment, the company has to sell under bulk quantities. Therefore, it has to give more discounts to the customers. Therefore, the profit of the company under non-trade segment is very less when compared to trade segments. Now let us analyze cement industry in India. When you see this chart, from financial year 15 to financial year 19, the demand for the cement has steadily increased. Whereas in financial year 20, the demand for the cement has steeply fallen down. The reason is that the cement industry is highly impacted by COVID-19 pandemic, and when you observe in financial year 21, the demand for the cement has further fallen down. However, in coming years, it is expected that the demand for the cement is going to rise because of the increase in construction activity post pandemic period. And one of the interesting fact is that when compared at a global level, India is the second largest consumer of the cement after China. This is one of the positive sign for cement industry in India. Coming to the competition that the company faces in its cement industry is as follows. Here, the most key player in the cement industry is Ultratech Cement with 111 million metric tons capacity per annum, followed by Larfaz Holcim and Shree Cement in third place, and followed by Dalmia Cement, and we have NUVOCO Vistas Corporation in the 5th place. By this we can confirm that this our company is one of the key players in cement industry in India. Now let us understand the strengths that the company has. We know that limestone is the major raw material for manufacturing of cement. NUVOCO Vistas Corporation has its own limestone mining reserves which it has taken on lease. Therefore, the company need not depend on any third party for the purpose of its major raw material, that is limestone. This is one of the strength that the company has. Coming to the second strength, this company is promoted by Mr. Karsanbhai Patel, who is a successful businessman and who is responsible for success of many businesses under Nirma Group. Even this is also one of the major strength that the company has. Coming to the third strength, the company has 90% capacity utilization, whereas other players in the cement industry have around 70% of capacity utilization. These are the strengths that the company enjoys. Going to the risks that the company faces, the only risk that the company has is that competition. The cement industry in India is highly competitive. There are around 70 active players in cement industry with around 200 brands in cement industry. Therefore, we can say that the cement industry in India is highly competitive. This is one of the most important risks that the company has. Now, let us see the financial performance of the company. Here, if you see, in March 2020, total of assets of the company were 1,34,443 million, whereas in March 2021, total assets of the company were 1,99,075 million. There is an increase of almost 70,000 million in the total assets. The reason for this increase is that during the year, the company has acquired cement manufacturing business of Imami Limited. This is the reason why the assets of the company has increased by almost 70,000 million. Coming to profit after tax figure, in March 2020, the company made a profit of 2,492 million, whereas in March 2021, the company made a loss of 259 million. The reason for this loss is that the business of the company is impacted by COVID-19 pandemic. That is one of the reason why the company has made a loss. And the another reason is that the company has high debt in its books, due to which the finance cost is very high. The profit of the company is eaten up by the finance cost. The company is expecting to repay the debts through the amount raised from this IPO. Therefore, in years to come, the amount of finance cost will be reduced. Moving to objects of the issue, the first object of this IPO is to repay the existing borrowings, and the second objective is general corporate purposes. And coming to details of this IPO will be opening on 9th of August 2021 and will be closing on 11th of August 2021, and the issue size of this IPO is 5,000 crores. Of this 5,000 crores, fresh issue is 1,500 crores and offer for sale is 3,500 crores. If you don't know the difference between fresh issue and offer for sale, I have explained it in another video. You can check it out in the I button. And the IPO price is between 560 rupees to 570 rupees per each share, and the lot size is 26 shares. Hope this information was useful to you, and that's it for today guys. Bye bye.